Hey everybody, happy Friday. As promised, this is my final video for our second winter storm of the season. It's on our doorstep. So if you look, this is the visible satellite that's going on right now. You see this giant dip in the clouds right here. It's almost like a U shape. There's this big push of very, very, very cold air that's going to sink southeastward and settle over Alabama and Georgia overnight tonight, and that's going to set the stage for quite a bit of snowfall across our region. We're now entering like the 12 to 24 hour range, so we switched to high resolution models. So think of like your TV, like the pixel size when you get like 4K. The more pixels you have, the clearer the picture, and that's what we can do when the event gets really close. So I'm just going to show you three models, one for timing and two for amounts. So this is one particular model. You can see that this is snow accumulation. So you see here in Charlotte, in the Mecklenburg County area, it has us starting to get snow around 7, 8 a.m. So that's about the start time. I do think we could still have some snow a little bit before this, but really anything that's going to accumulate is going to be really in the really early morning hours tomorrow. And then you can see it pretty quickly accumulates 1 or 2 inches by 11 or 12, and then it kind of ramps up through the afternoon, and we end up getting like 7, 8, 9 inches of snow somewhere around there. That's one particular model. And you can see much of the state gets inundated with 6 to 10 inches of snow. Here's the NAM. This is another high resolution model. If I step this forward through time, you see it too, like right at the beginning there, it shows this is about 5 or 6 in the morning. So again, early morning hours, we might start to get a little bit of snowfall. An inch or so by 10 o'clock, but then again by lunchtime we're picking up 3, 4, 5 inches of snow, 6 by the time sun goes down, and it too shows us getting somewhere in the order of 7 to 10 inches of snow. Notice though it does have a little bit of a lesser amount of snow kind of in the eastern and central part of the state, and we've seen this in several models, so that bears watching. And then here's the HRRR model. This is the last high resolution model that's out there, and again timing wise, if I step this back, we're just starting to get some snow. Now this one's a little bit later, on like 9 a.m. tomorrow, so don't be surprised if you wake up, there's some light snow around. It's just starting to accumulate. And then it quickly ramps up. By 1 o'clock, we already have 3 inches of snow on the ground, and then it just continues to snow all afternoon, and this particular model has us getting close to 11 inches of snow. So what I find when you look at models, this is kind of the high-end range, so you can usually shave a little bit off of this. So I think ballpark in and around the Charlotte area, I would say 6, 8 inches of snow seems quite likely right now. We certainly could get under some of these bands and be pushing 10 or 11 inches of snow. I know if we miss some of the bands, we could be down around 3 or 4 inches of snow. But I think the most likely solution for us is somewhere in that 6 to 8 inch range. I do worry if you're in the kind of the Raleigh area. Some of the models have been hinting at this. Some of the AI models too have shown this kind of gap. There's a coastal storm producing the snow here. There's our upper level storm producing the snow here. So those two are kind of, I think, high bet scenarios. This is where it's kind of roll of the dice. So for my friends in Raleigh, some models show you getting a foot of snow, some models show you getting almost nothing. So I would not want to be a forecaster there. But suffice it to say, the Charlotte area, I think we are going to get quite a bit of snow. Again, 6 to 8 inches. The other big thing with this storm is temperatures tomorrow. I could just show you really quickly the surface temperatures right here. And if I step this forward through time, if you watch, this is overnight tonight. And so by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures are down around 24 degrees. So this snow is going to stick to everything. It actually gets colder as the day goes along. We'll be down into the teens as it snows. And then you can see it gets down to the low teens. And now this will be during the day on Sunday. We only rise up to like 29 or 30 degrees on Sunday. So the snow that falls tomorrow will stick around all day Sunday into Monday. Sunday night into Monday looks really cold as well. So be safe out there. Enjoy the snow. It's this puffy, fluffy, powdery snow. So get out there and enjoy it tomorrow. I will see you all later. Take care.